2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to uphold Mazda's reputation for crafting stylish, engaging, and well-built SUVs. As one of the brand's most successful models, the CX-5 blends premium design, enjoyable driving dynamics, and everyday practicality. For 2025, Mazda has refined the CX-5 with thoughtful updates, ensuring it remains a strong contender in the highly competitive compact SUV segment. Mazda's design philosophy, known as Kodo Soul of Motion, is showcased beautifully in the 2025 CX-5's exterior. The SUV features smooth, flowing lines and a refined, athletic stance that sets it apart from more utilitarian rivals. Subtle enhancements this year include a more pronounced front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a resculpted bumper that emphasize the vehicle's sporty nature. New alloy wheel designs and fresh color options like zircon sand and rhodium white further expand personalization choices for buyers. The overall impression is one of understated elegance, ensuring the CX-5 looks just as at home in an upscale city environment as it does on winding country roads. When it comes to performance, the 2025 CX-5 remains one of the most engaging SUVs in its class to drive. Two engine options continue to be available. A naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-four producing around 187 horsepower, and a turbocharged 2.5-liter variant that bumps output to 256 horsepower when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Standard all-wheel drive across all trims enhances traction and stability, making the CX-5 capable in diverse driving conditions. Thanks to Mazda's expert chassis tuning, the CX-5 delivers sharp steering, minimal body roll, and a responsive, yet comfortable ride, offering a driving experience that enthusiasts will appreciate without sacrificing everyday usability. Fuel efficiency remains competitive, with the base engine achieving around 26 km city and 31 mi highway. Inside, the 2025 CX-5 feels more like a luxury crossover than a mainstream one. High-quality materials, elegant design, and a minimalist dashboard layout create a serene and inviting atmosphere. Updates for this model year include a larger 10.25-inch infotainment screen on most trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and improved voice command functionality. Front seats are supportive and well-cushioned for long journeys, while the rear seats offer ample legroom for adult passengers. Cargo space, though not class-leading, remains practical, with around 30.8 cubic feet behind the second row and over 59 cubic feet with the seats folded. Sound insulation is excellent, minimizing road and wind noise, which further enhances the cabin's premium feel. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 starts at approximately $30,000 for the base 2.5S Select trim and rises to about $40,000 for the fully loaded 2.5 Turbo Signature model. Mazda positions the CX-5 slightly above many mainstream competitors, reflecting its more upscale design and features, but it remains a strong value proposition given its quality and driving enjoyment. Standard features across the lineup include a suite of advanced driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Overall, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 stands out as a compelling choice for buyers seeking a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on style, comfort, or driving pleasure. Its thoughtful updates for the new model year ensure it stays fresh against newer competitors, while maintaining the characteristics that have made it a perennial favorite. Whether commuting through busy city streets, embarking on weekend adventures, or simply enjoying a spirited drive, the CX-5 offers a rare blend of elegance, athleticism, and everyday usability that few rivals can match. Would you also like a shorter or more review-style version if you're planning to post this somewhere specific?